Hello friends, in this video lecture we will be discussing Article 1 of Indian Constitution. So Article 1, the very first article of our Constitution. So what does Article 1 of Indian Constitution says? It says that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. This word is important, union of states. So the first clause in itself says that what does it reflects that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. So it is showing two things. Firstly, the name of the country. Secondly, the type of the polity. So in name of the country, it is given that India, दैट इज भारत. तो ऐसा क्यों दिया हुआ है? बिकॉज इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली जब ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारा ड्राफ्ट हो रहा था तब बहुत आर्ग्यूमेंट्स थे कि इंडिया का नाम भारत रखा जाए या भारतवर्ष रखा जाए, भारतवर्ष या हिंद रखा जाए या हिंदुस्तान रखा जाए, राइट? So the Constituent Assembly chose two words, firstly India and then Bharat. So India they chose, why? Because internationally our nation was known as India by the foreigners. So to have an international relevance, they chose India, and they chose that is Bharat. Why? Because that is the Hindi name of the nation. So people relate, in ancient India also people of India called themselves as Bharatvarsha, one who lives in Bharat. So that is why the second word Bharat was taken, because it relates to the ancient times. Okay. So first part is India, that is Bharat, uh, which shows the name of the nation, and then we have the type of the polity, that what it will be. So it is saying that it shall be union of states. So the word union of states has been taken. Why? Even though India is by constitution federal in structure, but they chose union of states over federation of states. Why? Because in India the states are not the result, or our union is not the result of the agreement of the states. So there is no agreement between the states to come together, unlike in federations which happen in America. All the states are in an agreement to stay together, so they have the right to secede from the union also. Okay, but in India all the states are not in any agreement. It is the whole indestructible union. Okay, and states are part of it. Okay, so they don't have any right to secede. Okay, so if we see the clause 1, India, that is Bharat, shall be union of states. So the first part, India, that is Bharat, it shows the name of the country. As I told you that many referred or advocated the name Bharat or Bharatvarsha. Okay. Secondly, it describes that why union of states has been preferred over federation of states, because our federation is not a result of agreement among states like American federation. In India, states have no right to secede from the federation. States have no right to secede from the federation. So therefore the federation, our federation is a union because it is indestructible. It is indestructible. So India is an integral whole, and states are divided only for administrative convenience. Okay, so there is no agreement among the states to stay together. They have no right to secede. India is an integral whole. Okay, so this is what the clause 1 says: India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. So now the states and the territories thereof shall be specified. So all the states and the territories of India are specified in the first schedule of our constitution. Okay. So now the this is the second clause. So they are specified in the first schedule of the constitution. Now the third one is saying the territory of India shall comprise the territories of states. So it shall comprise the states, it shall comprise the union territories, and it shall comprise such other territories as may be acquired. Agar India being a sovereign nation, if it acquires some uh, country, then such other land will also be included in it. Okay. So territory of India is a wider term than Union of India. Union of India it only includes those part which is given in the first schedule. So it includes the states. But in territory of India, it includes it includes three things. Firstly, the states, then the UTs, and then any land which is acquired. Any land acquired. So all these three things are included in territory of India. Okay. So this is all about, so states are just members of federal system and shares power with the center. So states are the member of the federal system and they will share power with the center. Okay. Being a sovereign country, as in this third clause it is given that such other territories as may be acquired, so India can acquire a foreign land. And since independence, India has acquired Dadar and Nagar Haveli, okay, Goa, Sikkim, it was ruled by Chogyals, okay, Daman and Diu, Daman and Diu, okay. So it is under clause Article 1, subclause 3, subclause C. Okay. So this is all about Article 1. Article 1 is the first article of our constitution which says India, that is Bharat, shows the name of our nation, shall be a union of states. Okay. Union of states has a meaning that it is not a result of agreement among the states. It is an indestructible whole union, and states are merely states are divided for administrative convenience. And in the word India is was chosen because of its international relevance, and Bharat was uh, India was known as Bharat in the ancient time. We called ourselves as Bharatvarsha. Okay, the states and territories are included in the first schedule, and the territories of India is a wider term than the Union of States. Okay, it includes the territories of state, the UTs, and the territories which may be acquired. So this is all about the Article 1. Thank you all.